Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here, and in today's video we are going to talk about Variational, a brand new crypto protocol that gives you completely a zero fee perps and actually pays you refunds on your losing trade. So let's jump right in. Alright, here we are on Omni, which is the retail facing perps platform built on Variational's infrastructure. It looks and feels like a standard high-performance decentralized exchange, but under the hood it's fundamentally different. Instead of a traditional order book, Variational uses a RFQ, a request for quote model. When you want to trade one of their 500 plus markets, you simply request a price. Their native Omni liquidity provider instantly aggregates liquidity from centralized exchanges like Binance, DEXs, or OTC sources to give you the tightest spread possible. Because this model cuts out external third-party market makers, Omni doesn't charge you any makers or taker fees. Whether you are executing a $1,000 trade or a $1 million trade, the transaction fee is strictly zero. Now, let's navigate over the rewards tab, because this is where Variational really separates itself from the competition. Since Variational captures the spread revenue internally rather than leaking it to external market makers, they redistribute that capital directly back to their users. You literally get paid a rebate for losing trade. When you close a position at a loss, you can come to this page and claim a loss refund, depending on your trade volume tier. You get a base refund of 1 to 5% of your lost capital. For day traders having that built-in risk mitigation, it is an absolute game changer. Additionally, if you prefer passive yields, you can act as the house. You can deposit USDC into the OLP vault, providing liquidity from the platform and earn substantial annualized yield generated directly from the protocol's market-making activities. The biggest reason to get involved right now is the VAR token airdrop. If you go to referral dashboard, you can see the point system is live. You earn points by bridging USDC to Arbitrum, depositing it into Omni, and trading perps. They distribute points weekly based on your activity because they are zero fees. Farming these points is highly efficient. Once you cross $1 million in cumulating trading volume, you unlock your own referral code to build your own network and multiply your rewards. Variational is aggressively rethinking how derivatives should function on-chain. Between the zero fees, deep liquidity, and those crazy loss refunds, it provides a massive edge for retail traders. I've left the referral link in the description below, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about this project, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.